What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at our main shop. I'm climbing in our Freightliner here. You may notice some pieces are missing. That is because this truck is getting painted. We need more air. This truck is getting painted white, so our paint guy is actually Rodrigo's buddy, and he was here yesterday afternoon and started pulling pieces off of this. But we need to get in our shop, so I need to take it out. I'm gonna park it outside, and if he comes here to work again today, we'll have to move it. But this truck will not be green much longer. Let me get this out. We're gonna pull two of our F350s in, the green one and the white one that we were working on yesterday. They both had tire lights on, but our compressor that we have hanging up there was not working too hot, so we decided to not worry about it yesterday. We're going to deal with it today while we have more time. But let me get this out now that we have enough air. We'll get the other trucks in here, fill up the tires, and hopefully the lights will go out. All right, guys, so we got all the tires filled up, the tire lights went out, and we also threw the plow on this truck. Rodrigo ran to the store this morning and grabbed the pin for the piston there, so we put that back together. He's going to park that. I'm going to hop in my truck here where we changed the rear wheel seal and it smoked on us again. So if you saw that video, Matt put another one in it, but we haven't road tested it yet, so I'm going to take it out now and hopefully it doesn't start leaking and start smoking everywhere just like it did last time. So let me hop in, we'll go for a little ride, and I'll update you guys in a couple minutes. All right, guys, so I drove this truck for about a half hour, maybe a little bit less, and we didn't have anything leaking or smoking at all. You can see in here the back of the wheel is dry, everything is dry. Last time it had gear oil all over the inside of that wheel there, and it was hitting the caliper and burning off, and that's where the smoke was coming from. But I drove this for about a half hour and it is perfectly fine. So I don't know what happened with the last wheel seal that caused that, so hopefully it doesn't happen again and we're good for the rest of the winter. Otherwise we're gonna have to look into an aftermarket wheel seal. Moving on, we had a tail light out on this truck here, so we just ran to the auto parts store when we got lunch, and Kevin's throwing the new one on there. I need to run upstairs in the office real quick and take care of some stuff, and I believe Rodrigo is done with this truck here. Got this plow all put together, all the hoses made and everything, and he welded that block on there. So this truck should be good to go. We still need the rear wing post, obviously, so we can throw a wing on this. But for now, I think it is done and we can pull it outside. I just got to talk to Rodrigo. I know we had these shoes on here. Oh, actually, I think we had these ones on, and it kept the blade up a little too high. So he either took them completely off. No, he swapped them onto different angle ones that allow the blade to sit. All those do is help the wear of your plow blade, so you're not changing it as often. But let me run upstairs and take care of a few things, and then we'll move on. Curl it down a little bit. Other way. Yep. A little bit more. A little more. All right, curl it up. Curl it. Nice and easy. Yeah, well, curl it. Curl it. All right, you're good now. Keep going. Go up. Yeah, keep curling. No, you'll be all right. You'll be all right. All right, hold it up a hair more. Hold it right there. All right, guys, we got the wing plow on. We just need to tighten the bolts down, throw the hoses on, and make sure everything works. All right, guys, so my wing is on. It's working perfect as it should. We need to grab the front plow from our yard upstate. I talked about that earlier. We're going to grab that Tuesday, then we can finish this truck up. We still have to throw a wing on this truck. We got to throw Rodrigo's front plow on. We got to throw both plows on this truck and also this one as well. All right, guys, so on this truck here, it turns out that the light wasn't the problem. We put the new one on, and when we had this flat body installed, they kind of tied all the wires in together. You can see it's like a big mess here, and one of the old wires here before where they tied the new ones in for everything on the dump body was broken rather than the light being bad. So we put the new light on and it still didn't work. Rodrigo now swapped it over back to the old light and repaired all the wire. He's just going through and finishing that up. That'll be done today. That truck's done. The wing on my plow is done. We have a couple more trucks we're gonna get to on Monday, installing the wings, and then on Tuesday we're going to our Orange County yard. We're putting that wheel loader back together and we're grabbing some plows there. We have a liquid tank that actually goes on this truck as well. We're gonna grab that one plow, get them down here, throw them on, and then see what the rest of the day has in store. But that's gonna wrap it up for today. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.